Hello, here's a quick video in response to a request I had for someone asking how to do a monogram or lettering with the large letters and make it fit on the rectangle 20 hoop. So here is how I did that. So I'm starting off here with a new design, and if you don't see this, hit the arrow button until you see the option to set your hoop size. So if you're going to want the large font and a name with that many letters, you will need to use the RE20A hoop. But here's the thing. There won't be enough space to do it horizontally, so then we'll have to flip it so that it will actually embroider it vertically. So that means you need to load your material in the hoop flipped. And here, let me show you how. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Hit that one. Go to Monogram. I've got Cheltenham, the large font, and the name requested, Robert. And you'll see that the whole name won't fit, but I'm going to go ahead and accept that, and then I'm going to flip it. Oops, not that. Where are you? There it is, rotate. Rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and add the T. So, oops, click OK. Go here, monogram, and then add the T. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and then move it down into position. So, what'll happen is it'll embroider it in the vertical orientation. So when you load your material into the hoop, you have to load it so that if you wanted it to read horizontally, of course, you're going to have to load your material in, rotate it. Okay, so I hope that helped.